I'm going to look at this lock today, which is a cross lock. Obviously you can see that the key is cruciform. It's 4 sides to it and has got about 12 pins. It's not a lock which you see frequently in America, but in Europe it's quite common on patio doors, garage doors, lock-up rooms and things like that. The key will only enter the keyway in one direction. It doesn't enter, there's only one way it will fit, and in order to get the key out it must do a complete 1, 2, 3, 4. It must do a complete 360-degree turn. It will not come out in any other position, which means that when it is picked, it needs to be picked 4 times. So let's have a go at this and see if we can pick this at least once. Right, attention, in this particular instance anti-clockwise, and this particular key or this particular lock only has pins at the top, to the right and to the left. Many cruciform locks have pins on all 4 quadrants. Okay, now if you've not come across one of these before, picking it is identical to picking a standard pin tumbler. Imagine now that this is the standard lock, and we are picking upwards a few pins, in this case 3 or 4, I'm not quite sure, except we then have to do it from side to side as well. Okay, so there are pins on 3 sides of this, so I need to pick upwards 3 or 4 pins. I need to pick sideways, and what I've got to make sure is that the tension wrench doesn't pop out after I've picked 8 pins, otherwise I have to start all over again, and how annoying is that? Okay. That seems to be a few picked at the top, number 2 along there. Okay, that's good. Left is picked, I think. 1, 2, 3. Top number 3 pin is stuck. I have to let go. The top pin is stuck. Start again on the left. 1. These pins are a bit tight. I have put quite a lot of oil into this overnight, so it's loosened up the pins a bit. Okay, right, left, one, 2, 3, they seem to be picked. Oh, no movement on those, that seems okay. Well, left seems to be picked as well. Maybe something has, okay, so there we go. So there is the first quadrant picked, and now in order to get this lock into locked position, I need to pick it at least one more time. So let's have a go and see if I can single pin pick it into the second 90 degrees. Okay, seems to be 1, 2, 3. And there's the second 90 degrees. This time it is completely locked. And in order to get, of course, the key will not go in any position. Well, it will go in halfway, but it won't turn. So in order to get the key back in again, I need to turn it either twice this way or twice the other way yet again. However, I've got this little gadget here, which some of you might not have seen. And basically, it is a 4-way rake, specially made for this sort of lock. There are 4 flanges here, which will fit into the 4 sockets, like that, into the 4 little keyways. I will turn it tension. The tension is here. I will turn the tension to the left. I need to push this now in and out to rake it. And there's the first turn. And then I need to do one more. And there's a second turn. Okay, so there it is. And now hopefully I can get this key back in again. And there we are. Okay, so a cross lock, single pin picked, and with my little magic device here. I hope you enjoyed that.